are not only a machine manufacturer, but we are also a team of engineers and technicians who are constantly innovating new designs and solutions to better serve our customers.
We help your team validate a wide range of materials for your specific application, as well as optimize your product design for additive manufacturing.
We are your partner from idea to implementation. We are not just an OEM, we don't just make machines. We help customers find solutions to their problems.
So as a solution provider, we always keep in mind the products that our end customers are trying to make. That means we help them on the design, selection of material, selection of specific printer that meets their total cost of ownership, help them with the installation, training, and also post-machine sales, right? So we go from A to Z in terms of helping our customers develop and launch the products they have in mind.